Oh, hey there. Did you know that professionals with strong research skills are 30% more likely to make data-driven decisions that lead to success? Research allows leaders to make informed decisions by analyzing trends, customer needs, and market strategies. This leads to better business outcomes. Struggling to find solutions? Research can help you uncover the root cause of a problem, allowing you to troubleshoot more efficiently and deliver better results. Clear communication is key to success. With research-backed data, leaders can provide persuasive reports and reliable information, building trust with clients and teams. Research skills allow you to filter out irrelevant information, saving you valuable time and increasing productivity. Focus on what matters. Want to stay ahead of the competition? You can always be one step ahead by staying up to date with industry trends and technology advancements. Research fosters a culture of continuous learning. Stay curious and proactive. You'll keep discovering new ways to improve and grow. By assessing risks and optimizing resources, research helps you use tools and strategies best, leading to efficient project execution. At Photizo Consultancy, we empower professionals with research skills to enhance productivity and drive success. Want to learn more? Visit photizoconsultancy.co.uk or reach out to us via email admin@photizoconsultancy.co.uk.